Hi, today for the VCT Blade A71 and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So let's first add here the number. And now let's open once again the phone application. Then tap on the right upper corner to these three dots, click to the settings, and you'll see here the call blocking. Now we can see here this our blocked number, and if you want to remove it from here, you should click on this X icon and confirm your action by click to unblock, and that's it. Now we can see the message here that this number unblocked successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.